check these out. Oh my word. So this pair arrived today, and today we're going to unbox it. As you can probably tell by the thumbnail and title of the video, this is the brand new Adidas Generation Predator 2.0, and it's in a crazy colorway. Comes in this kind of like sleeve for the box. I'll take this off. Kind of a standard Adidas black box, but it does say limited collection on the side. I really do like this pair. I picked them up in a UK 10.5. Here's a look at the label. I actually picked them up in a 10 as well, just because I think it's a gorgeous boot and I think it'll look great in the collection in a few years when not many people have a dead stock pair. So it comes in this slide box. We'll slide it open. Has a boot bag with it, which is in a white. I can untangle this. White with the Predator text in gold. Adidas logo in the corner in gold as well. But the boots, check these out. Oh my word. These are spectacular. I'm a massive fan of these. So take it out. Doesn't really come with anything extra. For a limited edition collection, just normal paper, nothing really else. So put the box to the side and we'll take a closer look at the details of the boot. So I unboxed this boot on my TikTok as well, and actually my first thoughts on it, I think it was designed for Paul Pogba. Do you not think this would suit Paul Pogba perfectly? It really fits his vibe. Just unfortunately, obviously they can't do it for him anymore, so I think they just decided to release it. But I'm not complaining because I love this boot. I think it looks so nice. So in terms of technical specs, it comes exactly the same as all other Predators. However, it does not come with a tongue in this colorway. This is the only version you get in this colorway. So this is the only stud type you get, which is FG, and it does not come with any tongue as well. So it's completely laced. As you can see here, the laces are exposed. The Hybrid Touch 2.0 material is exactly the same as the other Preds, but it does have this safari print on the top, which I think adds a little extra to it. I really do like it. I know we brought out the like bright green version, which also had that as well, but I think the white with that kind of grey safari print looks a lot better. Like, check out that on the inside. I think that looks so good. You can't actually really see the stripe skin. It actually blends in. It's almost like a camo. You can't really see the stripe skin, but I promise you it's there, as you can probably see there. Yeah, I really do like the upper design of this. It's so good. Look at that safari print all over the boot. Amazing. The laces that come with it are in a white. Would be nice to get a spare set of laces with a limited collection, so maybe like a gold or a black, but the only ones that come with it are the white ones that are pre-laced. But still, don't mind that because it's got a white tongue on the inside. On the outside of the boot, you do get the 3 Adidas stripes, as you can see, in a gold. They do have like an outer layer of black going around the outside, which transitions to the gold at the bottom, which I really do like as well. It makes the kind of 3 Adidas stripes on the side stand out against that safari print upper. If they didn't have this kind of black outline, I think they would have looked a bit bland, but that definitely adds to it. Really do like that. The Predator detailing on the side is in a gold, and on the inside, the Hybrid Touch 2.0 is also in a gold. You can't really see it. It's actually quite hard to see against that kind of safari camo print on the top, but I don't think they could have done this in any other color. Maybe black, but I think gold probably works the best. At the back of the boot, you do have this Adidas tab at the back, which is the black and the gold print on top, which I think works well with the color of the boot as well, from the black at the back. Yeah, once again, really nice touch. Really do like everything about the design of this boot. So other than the safari print, probably the most noticeable thing about this boot is that Soleplate. Look at that. Full gold with the 2 black accents on either side. I really like that. I know I've said I like pretty much everything about that boot, but that's because I do. One thing about the Soleplate, I would have liked the Predator text to be in a different color. I like it to stand out a little bit. Obviously, it's quite hard to read, but that gold Soleplate shining, yeah. I just wonder when that wears off, like, because it obviously will, what is the color underneath? Hopefully it's just a plain kind of non-shimmering gold, but I have had pairs where the color completely changes when that wears off, the upper coating wears off, and hopefully it doesn't do that. Like I said earlier, a little bit disappointed that it only comes in FG. Would have liked this to come in a variation of stud plates. If they did an AG and an SG, I probably would have bought all of them because I really do like this colorway. But unfortunately, limited collection only comes in FG. If you have any of the other Predators, you will know this is a very comfy boot. There is a lot of heel padding at the back, as you can probably see from the close-up there. Very comfy around the heel. Heel cut protects the bottom part of your ankle from getting kicked, which I really like because I get kicked a lot in matches. In terms of sizing, I would go up half a size from your normal Adidas sizing. So I used to wear 10 in Adidas. These are 10.5 just because it's a little bit tight at the toe box. The upper material does stretch a little bit, but I still like to have a little bit more room on this Predator. It can be a little bit restricted. So let's take a look inside the boot as well. Move the lace to the side, undo these a little. It does come with paper shoe tree on the inside. Also another one at the bottom for the toe. Let me just get that out. And then here is the insole. So insole is in a black and has Predator detailing in the gold. Just a plain insole, nothing too special about this. Doesn't really offer any support or performance benefits. So Adidas is marketing these at a new generation of Predator owners. So it says online that they're built for firm ground and they deliver dynamic performances for a new generation of bowlers. Deploying rubber strike skin fins for pinpoint shooting, their Hybrid Touch 2.0 upper brings supreme flexibility. The Adidas Prime Net collar also and the Control Frame 2.0 outsole ensure comfortable play throughout. But I do kind of like how Adidas is branding out from just a normal Predator colours, and they're doing something a little bit different to try and attract a new audience, because we know people like Predators, but those who don't maybe want something a little bit different. So I don't mind what Adidas is doing, trying to mix up the game a little bit with the Predator, and I have to say I'm a big fan of this one. But what do you think of this brand new Predator? Maybe would have liked it to come with a tongue and obviously different studs, but the colourway, yeah, no complaints at all. I think this will be one of the boots I'll have in my rotation. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of it. Did you purchase it? Boots are quite expensive now. It's £240. Don't know if it's reselling or anything like that. And I actually don't know if it's sold out. It probably has, because, come on, how is this pen not selling out? Also, let me know down below in the comments where it ranks compared to some of the other Predators. For me personally, it's got to be at the top. Yeah, really a big fan of these. But what do you think of the brand new Adidas Generation Predator 2.0? I think this is a 9 out of 10.